How does dynamic soaring work? Have you ever watched a bird gliding effortlessly over the ocean and wondered how it manages to fly so far without flapping its wings? One fascinating technique that enables this is called dynamic soaring. This method is particularly used by birds like albatrosses, which are masters of long-distance flight. So, how does dynamic soaring actually work? Dynamic soaring takes advantage of differences in wind speed at various heights, a phenomenon known as wind shear. When these birds fly, they cross the boundary between two air masses that are moving at different speeds. Near the ocean's surface, the air is relatively still, while higher up, the wind is much faster. By moving between these layers, birds can gain energy without using much effort. The process of dynamic soaring consists of four main phases. First, the bird begins with a windward climb. It flies into the wind and climbs upward through the wind shear layer. During this climb, the bird trades some of its speed for altitude, gaining height while balancing the forces of drag and lift. Once it reaches a high point, the bird performs a high-altitude turn. This is where it turns to face downwind, allowing it to take advantage of the fast-moving air behind it. This is a crucial moment as the bird prepares to gain speed. Next comes the leeward descent. The bird descends downwind, converting the potential energy it gained during the climb back into kinetic energy. This means it speeds up significantly as it descends, making the most of the wind's power. Finally, the bird performs a low-altitude turn. Near the surface, it turns again to face into the wind, ready to start the cycle all over again. By repeating this loop, the bird continuously gains speed from the difference in wind velocity between the lower and higher air layers. This technique requires precise timing and skillful maneuvering. The bird must turn quickly at the boundaries of the wind shear to maintain and increase its speed effectively. The energy extracted from this wind shear allows birds to soar 4 hours or even days over the ocean with minimal effort. Dynamic soaring is a remarkable way for birds to harness the wind's power. By skillfully crossing layers of air moving at different speeds, these birds can glide vast distances efficiently. This technique is especially useful over open water, where thermal updrafts are rare, and conserving energy during long flights is essential. So, the next time you see an albatross soaring gracefully, you will know the secret behind its incredible journey through the skies.